Hey, beautiful people, do you know what today is? It's the official kickoff of my makeover madness, and we're starting in the kitchen. This project is going to be quick, it's going to be easy, it's going to be budget friendly, and it's going to add just the right amount of drama because I do drama. So, the first thing I am going to do is paint. I will be repainting the black countertop, and then I will also be painting the wall where my artwork is. And let me get the curtain. I already took the curtain down, and I am going to be sewing this and rehanging it. Okay guys, it took about 45 minutes for me to paint the green wall and the countertop. So this is just the first coat, and I'm going to give it some time to dry. And while I'm waiting for this to dry, I'm going to go ahead and start on the curtains. Okay, this is the fabric that I took down from the window, guys. They were just actually hanging with this little rod. And all I did to do that was I folded the fabric down. Then I added the clip, and then I just ran the curtain rod through it. I hope you guys can see that. I'm not really a big fan of these, so when I construct the curtain, I am going to actually make a pocket to run the rod through it, and I'll show you that in just a minute. So guys, in order to make the curtain wide enough for the window, I am going to cut another piece of fabric the same size. So this fabric is 54 inches wide, but I have a smaller piece here so I can, all of it will fit in the screen so you can see what I'm talking about. So the fabric is 54 inches wide. So what I would do is cut another piece exactly the same size of that fabric. And then once I do that, I will cut that fabric in half. So then you're going to have two pieces of fabric. Then you're going to take this piece of fabric, and on either side, since it's 54, it'll be 27. So you'll have a piece that's 27 inches for the right and 27 inches for the left. And all you're going to do, guys, is you're going to put right sides together, and you're going to stitch it, and you're going to do that on both sides. Then when it comes to the top, guys, what I'm going to do, since I'm going to be creating a pocket, I am going to fold my fabric down probably about 1 inch. And then I'm going to sew this area, the bottom part, all the way across. Then I'm going to flip it down again. And I'm going to make sure that there's enough room before I sew it down that my curtain rod will be able to slide through that easily. So once I determine that, I'm just going to take this piece and sew it all the way across, guys. And that's going to give you the pocket so that your curtain rod can slide through there. Now, guys, once I finish this, I will not hem my curtains because I want to actually put them on the rod. And I'm not for sure whether or not I want them to be a little bit lower than the sill or longer. So I'm going to put them on the rod first to decide how long I want the fabric to be. But guys, this is super simple. One stitch here, one stitch here, a stitch, and then we're going to wait to see how long the bottom portion of the curtain will be, and then I do that same thing that I did before. Fold it down, stitch it, fold it down again, stitch it, and that's it, guys. Okay, guys, I finished painting, and I'm just going to give you a quick tour of the paint. I also repainted the countertop, and I also painted around the cabinet door. I think it makes it look a lot better. It looks continuous now. Now, there were some changes that I made. Well, one change. Okay, guys, I switched the curtain to the bold ECAT. I used this in a previous video on my stools at the foot of my bed. And so I decided, why not? Hey, guys, I am so excited about how my kitchen transformation turned out. Now, I didn't get a chance to do the entire kitchen, but the portion that I did, guys, it is amazing. It was quick, it was easy, it was budget friendly, and it packs a whole lot of drama. So without any further ado, guys, here's the reveal.